So this is Scarlett's first time eating solid food. Are you ready? I don't know how this is gonna go. This looks pretty yucky. Ready? We'll do just a little bit. What is that? You didn't even swallow it. Do you want to try some more? Oh, a little much on there. You're not too sure, eh? Do you like it? A little more? Ready? Oh, let's open her mouth. What do you think, baby girl? Hey? What do you think? You're just not too sure, hey? Are we not too sure? Gonna try some more? You're my happy girl. What's my happy girl? Ready? Oh, let's open your mouth. Do you not like it? Nom nom. Oh, do you want some more? Oh. I can't tell if you like it or not. You're making these faces, but you're smiling. You're making these faces, but you're smiling. Gonna try a little more? I'm not gonna lie to you, Scarlett. This looks pretty gross. You ready? No. What do you think? Do you want a little more? Do you want some more? Ready? Oh. I'm sorry, baby girl. I can't tell. Oh, do you want some more? Uh-oh. Nice. Am I just not going fast enough? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. You're really not too sure about all this, hey? One more and then we'll turn the video off, okay? Ready? Here it comes.